Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by securing data and preparing credentials. Back up the iPhone now. Use iCloud or a wired iTunes backup so nothing is lost. Once done, confirm the new Apple ID email and password and keep two-factor info handy. If you can, disable Find My iPhone in Settings Your Name Find My. This prevents activation locks. If you cannot sign out, know that you'll need the previous owner's credentials or proof of purchase to proceed. Now remove the old account and bring your new Apple ID onto the phone. You'll go to Settings, tap the account name and choose Sign Out. Decide whether to keep a local copy of contacts and calendars. This preserves data you'll still need. After signing out, restart the device to clear caches. Then sign in with the new Apple ID, enter the password and any two-factor codes. Make sure iCloud options sync the things you want, so apps and backups align with the new account. Finish by enabling iCloud features and a fresh backup. Turn on Find My iPhone and iCloud backup to secure and restore data. Once signed in, go to the App Store and re-download apps. Note that purchases remain tied to the original Apple ID, so you may need to sign into that account for some apps. If you encounter an activation lock, stop. You'll need the original Apple ID credentials or Apple support with proof of purchase to remove it. This is the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.